Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best lip sleeping mask hydrating overnight. The Burt's Bees Overnight Lip Sleeping Mask in Passion Fruit. If you're someone who wakes up with dry, flaky lips or struggles to keep them soft through the night, stay tuned because this product may be exactly what you need. First impressions matter, and Burt's Bees doesn't disappoint. The packaging is compact and recyclable, making it not just functional but environmentally conscious too. You're getting 0.25 ounces of product in a tiny but mighty jar. The scent? A delicate blend of passion fruit and chamomile, subtle, calming, and perfect for bedtime. Now, what sets this mask apart is its overnight performance. Burt's Bees has formulated this lip treatment to hydrate your lips for up to 8 hours while you sleep. You apply it before bed, and by morning, your lips feel nourished, plumped, and smooth. It's rich without being sticky, something I think a lot of us appreciate in overnight products. One of the biggest strengths of this formula is the infusion of ceramides. Ceramides help maintain the natural moisture barrier of your lips, which is crucial for keeping them soft and protected from environmental stressors. It also includes passion fruit extract, vitamin E, and chamomile, all known for their soothing and antioxidant properties. What really impresses me is the focus on clean beauty. This lip mask is 100% natural in origin and free from parabens, phthalate, petrolatum, and SLS. That means you're getting the good stuff without the harsh chemicals. Burt's Bees has been a pioneer in natural skincare since 1984, and this product is a continuation of that legacy. Texture-wise, it's velvety and smooth. It melts onto your lips and forms a breathable barrier that locks in moisture. It's not glossy or heavy, which makes it ideal even for people who aren't fans of thick lip products. Another key benefit? It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines around the lips. That's something that becomes more important as we age, and using this regularly can actually improve the overall texture and appearance of your lips over time. As for use, it's incredibly simple. Just apply a generous layer before bed and let it work its magic overnight. You'll wake up to lips that are soft, hydrated, and ready for your favorite lipstick or balm. Whether you have chronically dry lips or just want to add a little luxury to your nighttime routine, this is a worthy addition to your skincare shelf. To wrap up, Burt's Bees Overnight Lip Sleeping Mask in Passion Fruit is a hydrating, clean, and effective treatment that works while you sleep. It smells amazing, feels great, and delivers visible results. For under $10, it offers premium quality without the luxury price tag. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. If you've tried this lip mask or if you have another favorite we should check out. See you in the next video.